Hello guys, we got some fruits today. Let's start and see what will happen. First we got a lemon. Let's start. Now we got a lot of lemon juice and smell of lemon everywhere. Guys, this is everything that left from our lemon. This is a small piece of lemon. Okay. Now we got orange. Let's start. I think we make some fresh juice today. So let's see what left from our orange. Guys, this is everything that left from our orange. Small piece. And that's all. Next one is grapefruit. Let's start. Okay, now we clean this mess and see what left from our grapefruit. Guys, this is everything that left from our grapefruit. It's a lot compared to what left from orange and lemon. And let's try another fruit. And now we got coconut. Let's start. It was pretty amazing. Let's take a closer look. Guys, it's everything that left from our coconut, and let's try another fruit. And now we got this watermelon. Let's crush and see what will happen. Guys, it's a lot of water in here. Guys, this is everything that left from our watermelon. Hope you enjoyed this fruit compilation. Goodbye and have a nice day.